rock and learn.
It's learning time today, and today we're learning to tell time. I said it's learning time today, and today we're learning to tell time. There's a time to walk and a time to run, a time for work and a time for fun.
But only if your chores are done.
Haha, that's right. We have sad times and happy times, and times for making up cool rhymes. It's learning time today, and today we're learning to tell time. Hi there, I'm Timothy Time, the clock that rocks.
Cuckoo! And don't forget me!
That's right, this is my friend Cuckoo, and we're here to teach you all about time. Yeah! If you look at the clock and listen to my rhyme, then you can learn the parts from me, Timothy Time. The base of the clock is where the numbers stay. In their special places every second of the day. The 12 is at the top and the 6 is at the bottom. Every time you look, that's where you will spot them. The 9 is on the left and the 3 is on the right. The other numbers fit between in a circle. Let's recite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Running round the face are at least 2 hands. The short one moves most slowly as the hour demands. 'Cause the short hand is the hour hand. He's so slow I could slumber. He takes a whole hour just to reach each number. The long hand is the minute hand. She moves a little faster. Every 5 minutes, she gets a number past her. Some clocks have another hand that speeds around the face. This thin one is the second hand. Now pump up the bass. Yeah, pump up the bass. Pump it up now. Ooh, ooh. Come on!
Okay, calm down!
Oh, sorry, Cuckoo. I guess I lost track of time. Ha
Oh, brother!
Speaking of time, now you know the parts of the clock that you read. In order to tell time, a clock is what you need. Let's start out easy. Telling time to the hour, I'll teach you a cool trick that will give you the power. When you see the minute hand pointed straight at the top, it's on the number 12, so say the word o'clock. Next, check out the number the hour hand points to. Then put that number with o'clock. That's all you have to do. Let's try a few examples. Just take a look at these and say them out loud as quickly as you please. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now let's try some other clocks, like ones that you might see, so you get some more practice. Say these times with me. 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Some of you have noticed something a little strange. It seems we have 2 of each hour in each day. The first 12 o'clock comes when it is night. This is 12 a.m. and also 12 midnight. 12 hours later, it is noon or 12 p.m. Let's look at some examples now and join along with them. 8 o'clock a.m.
is the start of my school day.
4 o'clock p.m.
Is the time for friends to play.
12 o'clock p.m.
is the time to eat some lunch.
7 o'clock p.m.
Is when my dinner gets munched.
9 o'clock p.m.
is when I need to be in bed.
2 o'clock p.m.
Is when I think of what my teacher said.
5 o'clock p.m.
is when I do homework and chores.
10 o'clock a.m.
Is when they open most stores.
Since 1 whole hour has 60 minutes, half an hour has only 30 minutes in it. If you start on the hour and go halfway around, the minute hand will be on the 6, hanging upside down. Now you might ask, where will the shorthand be? I can tell you now, it's quite easy. The hour hand will be halfway in between 2 of the numbers, somewhere round the ring. Whichever of the numbers the hour hands just passed is the one you say out loud, with 30 at the last.
Well then, show us how to do it.
Okay, don't get your feathers ruffled. 130, 230, 330, 430, 530, 630, 730, 830, 930, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30.
Okay, Timothy. So when I hear people say it's 7:30, does that mean that the minute hand is on the 6 and that it's 7:30?
Wow, Cuckoo, you catch on really fast. They say 30 because the hour hand has traveled halfway past the number before it. Let's look at some more clocks. Read the times on these clocks with me. 8:30 or 8:30. 12 o'clock. 2:30 or 2:30. 11:30 or 11:30. 9 o'clock. 1:30 or 1:30. 7:30 or 7:30. 10:30 or 10:30. 6 o'clock. 3:30 or 3:30. Now you're using your brain power, telling time to the half hour. This clock face has been divided into 4. That's 4 equal sections. Now let me tell you more. If the minute hand has gone, just a quarter of the way. It's a quarter past the hour. A quarter past is what you say. At a quarter past, the minute hand is on the 3, and the number of the minutes past the hour is 15. The hour hand will be 1/4 of the way past one of the numbers. This number's what you'll say.
1:15.
Or a quarter past 1.
We can say it either way.
Telling time can sure be fun. 2:15.
Or a quarter past 2.
We're learning to tell time.
It's easy with you.
Oh, thank you, Cuckoo.
3:15.
Or a quarter past 3.
I think I've got it now.
Sounds good to me. Now, when the minute hand has moved another quarter of the way, it's half past the hour.
Oh, we've learned that. Okay. 4:30.
Or half past 4.
I remember this.
Let's do a couple more. 5:30.
Or half past 5.
I think you've really got it.
Yeah, give me 5. 6:30.
Or half past 6.
Let's learn something new.
Okay, I'll teach you some more tricks. Let's keep on moving another quarter of an hour, so it's just a quarter till the very next hour. The minute hand will be pointing to the 9. The minutes that have passed equal 45. The hour hand has passed the hour 3/4 of the way, so look back to the number that you are going to say. Take a look at this one. The hour hand is almost at the 8, so we go back to the 7 to get the hour straight. Now the minute hand is on the 9. 45 minutes have passed, so it's 7:45.
Let me see. The hour hand is almost to the 9, so I go back to the 8. It's 8:45. Cuckoo!
And this one is
9:45.
That's right.
Hey, Timothy Time. This was the time on the clock when someone told me it was a quarter till 10.
Well, Cuckoo, that's another way of looking at this time. Instead of going back to the hour that's behind and adding 45 minutes, you look up ahead to the next hour number and say quarter till instead.
Can I do some by myself so I'm sure I've got this right?
Sure, Cuckoo, you're in the time spotlight.
Okay, if I want to look at the hour that's already passed, this is 10:45. But if I want to look at the hour that is coming, this is a quarter till 11. And this time can be either 12:45 or a quarter till 1. Thank you! Thank you! Cuckoo! Hey, Timothy Time! What happens if the minute hand is on one of the other numbers?
Well, Cuckoo, every time the minute hand is on a number, 5 minutes have passed. Do you know how to count by 5s all the way to 60, Cuckoo?
Cuckoo! Yeah! And I know why we have to count by 5s up to 60. It's because there are 60 minutes in each hour. Can we practice a few times together with some music?
Sure we can, and my little friends will help.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
That's right. Let's do it again.
Okay, but could we do it without the elves?
Sure thing, Cuckoo. How's this?
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
One more time.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
That was fun. Now let's see how we can use counting by fives to help us tell time to 5 minutes. Each number on the clock shows 5 more minutes passed. So if you count by fives, you'll learn this really fast. Look at the hour hand. What number has it passed? That will be the hour. Wasn't that a blast? Now count by fives, starting from the 1 till you reach the minute hand. And then you will be done. Just say the hour now, and say the minutes then. The ones you counted up by fives, let practice now begin. Look at the hour hand. It's a little past 9. 9 is the hour. Now look at the minute hand. It's pointing at the 4, so we count by fives 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20.
Aha! It must be 9:20.
That's right, Cuckoo. Now look at this one.
The hour is 11.
And what about the minute hand?
It's pointing at the 7.
That's right. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's 11:35. The hour hand is past the 6 and the minute hand's on the 2. What time is it, Cuckoo?
It's 6:10.
Now you've got it.
Cuckoo! The little hand is past the 5, and the big hand's on the 8. So, the time is 5:40.
Very good. You remembered that the minute hand is bigger than the hour hand.
Cuckoo!
The hour hand is past the 2, and the minute hand's on the 5. Counting up by fives 5 times gives the number 25.
Cuckoo! This clock shows a time of 2:25. What about this one? The hour is almost 4.
But we must use the number that was before.
Cuckoo! The hour is 3. But what about the minutes?
11 times we'll count by 5. Might as well begin it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. You got it. 3:55. What time is it now?
The hour hand is almost up to the 11, so the hour must be 10.
Speaking of 10, that's where the minute hand is pointing. Did you count by fives?
I sure did, all the way to 50.
Well then, it must be 10:50.
Cuckoo, 10:50. Oh no! The minute hand and the hour hand are almost the same. Now what are we gonna do? Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo.
Calm down, Cuckoo. It's really quite simple. Where's the hour hand?
Just barely past the 1? Oh, I see. The hour must be 1.
That's right. And where might the minute hand be?
The minute hand is on the 1.
Easy enough. We don't even have to count. It's 1:05.
This one is easy. We learned that this time is 12:30.
Or 12:30.
But what if we count the minutes? Will we get the same time?
Sure we will, Cuckoo. Let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can always count by fives to figure out the time.
Even if it is the quarter hour or half hour.
Let's do a few more so we get it down. If it goes too fast this time, make another round.
First we'll look at the clock and give some thinking time. Try to save the time before you hear Timothy's voice or mine.
10.
1:35.
9:30.
Or 9:30. 6:25.
2:40.
11:55.
5:05.
3:45.
Or a quarter till 4. 8 o'clock.
12:20.
7:15.
Or a 7:15.
4:50.
Cuckoo! Wow! Telling time is easy as long as the minute hand is on a number. But what do we do when the minute hand is between numbers?
Well, Cuckoo, do you see the little lines on the outer edge of the clock face?
Yeah! I hadn't really noticed them before.
Do you know how many little marks are on the clock?
Let me guess. Is it 60?
You got it, Cuckoo. That's 60 lines for 60 minutes in an hour. When you tell time to the minute, the hour is fun to find. Just look for the hour hand and find the number it's left behind.
That gives us the hour. Now we need the minutes.
So find the minute hand and count by fives the way we do. We'll stop on the number before the minute hand, me and you. Then count up one number for each little line. When we reach the minute hand, then the minutes we will find. Put the hour and the minutes together for the time. We'll practice a few here so you understand my rhyme. This one is 4:12.
Find the hour. Count by fives. Count the lines to find the time. Find the hour. Count by fives. Count the lines to find the time.
Let's do some more.
Find the hour.
The hour hands just passed the 8.
Count by fives.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Count the lines.
21, 22.
Find the time.
8:22.
Find the hour.
The hour hands almost to the 3.
Go back to the 2.
Count by fives.
Here we go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Count the lines.
46, 47,
Find the time.
2:47.
Find the hour.
the hour hands almost at the 6.
Go back to the 5.
Count by fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Count the lines.
56.
Find the time.
5:56.
Find the hour.
The hour hands just barely passed the 9.
Count by fives.
There are no 5s to count, so start at 0.
Count the lines.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Find the time.
It's 9:04.
Find the hour.
The hour hands between the 3 and 4.
Go back to the 3.
Count by fives.
Let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Count the lines.
31, 32, 33.
Find the time.
It's 3:33. Cuckoo!
Find the hour.
The hour hands passed the 6.
Count by fives.
5, 10, 15.
Count the lines.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Find the time.
6:19. Cuckoo!
Find the hour.
The hour hands just barely passed the 7.
Count by fives.
5.
Count the lines.
6, 7, 8.
Find the time.
It's 7:08.
Whoa!
Hey, watch out! Take cover! Incoming cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo!
Relax,
cuckoo,
Cuckoo. That's my friend Digi.
Oh, I thought it was an air raid!
Don't be silly. Digi isn't attacking. He's come to teach us about telling time with digital clocks and watches.
Oh, brother! I guess time really does fly!
When you're having fun,
That's right, everybody. I'm Digi, I'm the man. Let's tell time with a digital watch. I'll show you how you can. Just look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. The first number is the hour before the little dots. They are called a colon, those funny little spots. The last numbers are the minutes. They're so easy to read. Just look at them and say the time. Now try a few with me. 2:52. 9:39. 3:23. 7:57. 11:10. 5:04. 10:27. 6:46. 1:31. 8:48. 4:15. 12 o'clock. Sometimes you see two more numbers on the face after another colon in the rightmost place. These numbers show the seconds that move so very fast. The seconds past the minute, past the hour that has passed. If you see more numbers, it's really not a clock. More likely, it's a gadget that we call a stopwatch.
That's right, Digi. A stopwatch is a special watch for measuring short times.
You know it, like in a race. Speaking of races, I'm out of here.
Whoa! Well, I guess we know all about time now.
Don't be so sure.
You mean there's more?
That's right, Cuckoo. We need to learn about calendars.
Okay.
There are 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. Each day has a special name, and each name is unique. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Faster now. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 52 weeks make up a year, but there is something more. We also have 12 months a year.
Come on, let's explore. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Let's go a little bit faster now.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Huh!
But how many days does a month have?
That all depends, Cuckoo. 30 days are in September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except for February alone. It has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year.
Do we have to jump over it?
No, Cuckoo. A leap year is when we add an extra day. They come every 4 years most of the time.
But how will I know which years are leap years?
You can look at a calendar. If the calendar has February 29th on it,
Then it's a leap year?
that's right. Now, let's have some fun with time. 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, 52 weeks in a year, or 12 months in a year.
With an extra day on leap year.
That's right, Cuckoo. 10 years in a decade, 100 years in a century, 1,000 years in a millennium.
Woo! I know what time it is now.
What time is it, Cuckoo?
It's time to say goodbye